Boing,
Boing, boing, boing. Hello everybody, welcome back to Joey Makes. As we all know, it's getting really close to Easter now. So I thought what I could make, I'm going to make a carrotty carrot cake for bunnies like me. So, let's get right into it. So, I'm going to preheat my oven to 160 fan. Okay, now I've got a large bowl. We're going to mix together 350 grams of self-raising flour back here. If I can get my scales. Got my self-raising flour. Oh, a bit over there. There we go. Now we're going to put in 325 grams of soft, dark, brown sugar. Hang on a second. I don't really know what's going on here. One second, let me just get this open. Okay. Now we put in the 325 grams of dark soft brown sugar. One second, I'm just going to have to open it a little bit more. This is the trick. Snip. There we go. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Yeah, this bowl's definitely not going to fit it. Full. It's already full, we've still got loads of stuff to add. Get out of here, roll bowl! Alright then, we've got it in this bowl now, which we don't need on the scale. Okay, now we're putting in the cinnamon. If I just get a measuring spoon quickly, and my cinnamon. 1 teaspoon. That goes to that. Alright, and now we are going to add in 75 grams of chopped walnuts. Okay there, right in front of me. So we do need 100 grams in total, but we're going to leave the other 25 to top. So I'm going to grab that old bowl, which I said get out of it, to weigh 75 grams of food. There we go. Now, I mean, it says chopped in my recipe book, but just crush them with your hands. Or you can snip them with some scissors. Snip, 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 snip. Oh, come on, come on. This guy's stubborn. Snip, snip, snip. There you go. You want quite big, nice big lumps of them. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I got the walnuts ready now. Put them in there. Now we need to put a handful of sultanas or raisins in. Not really in my arm. And there you go. We use sultanas. Carrot time! Alright. Peeler. Carrot. That's all you need to peel a carrot. So peel the carrot. Big straight. So just fold it up. To the bottom. Alright, do you know what the most important part is after you peeled the carrot? Bin. Not dropping. Number 2. Here we go. Do the same again. We'll speed this time up. You guys already know what the most important part is after you peel a carrot. The bin. Alright, now we top the tail on. You must be careful with a knife. Let's give it a shot first. Top! And brown sugar. Tail.
Oh my.
Now we grate. If I can. Be really careful when grating. Carrot number 1 is dying. This is taking a long time. Yeah! I'm a bunny and I like carrots. Alright. Want a great carrot? I mean, it wouldn't really be a carrot cake if you didn't have the carrot in, would it? Maybe a sultana and nut cake. Give it a big stir. Stir the dries together. Yeah, don't worry, there is wets. Otherwise it wouldn't really be a batter. Now we make a little well. So what we're going to do is get that bowl what I said get out of here again. And put 1 egg. 2 egg. 3 egg. And finally, ooh, a 4 egg. Now, a wash your hands egg. In the composter. If it can actually fit, that needs to take a trip down the garden. Now wash your hands. Alright, so we've got our eggs in there. We now need 4 tablespoons of milk. I didn't get it out because it will go warm my hand. So I'm going to go get it now. Got my measuring spoon, got my milk, let's do this. I'll just put it with the measuring spoon. 1. 2. 3. I'm doing it with one hand. But now comes the big part. I need to get, it's got some measurements on it. I need 200 mils of olive oil. Lots of olive oil. Coming out rather slow. We've only just reached 100. I'm starting to wonder if we're, right, 150. This is a lot of olive oil. 200! That's a lot of olive oil. A lot. It's perfect. 200. That can go straight in. That can. Straight in. And then, have we got to whisk this up? No, just in there. Oh, look at that. Are you ready? Now, we've got the hard task of mixing. Look at that cool pattern with the milk and the oil. So cool. Right, let's mix it. So good, very strong, it's not breaking at all. Apparently it means they're, oh there we go. Apparently it means they're very fresh. That looks like it's been cooked, how dark that is. Looked like it is, that looked like it was a poached egg, that did. Look at this. Come on, camera lady. Oh, we've got a little bit dry. Oh, lots of dry there. You can't hide from me. You can hide. You can make my arm out though. Yeah, yes, victory. Guys, this is so satisfying. Look, bubble. The big ones are best. It just opens up. Alright, enough of that. Right, so we got it in there. Now, open the oven up. Cake goes in, be careful. And close. Right, we will see you in an hour's time. But we'll actually see you, because you're watching it on the video, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bling, bling, bling. Alright, so as you know, I put it in the oven, I went outside while it cooked, then I had a bit of lunch while it cooled, and now we're here, ready to put the icing in. So, we are going to put 180 grams of full fat cream cheese. And we're going to grab icing sugar, which is behind the camera lady. Alright, so now I'm going to add 55 grams of icing sugar. Ooh, puffy. Ooh, that's too much. That's a lot too much. Oh no, good. There you go. Sweet. Alright, now I'm just going to mix that together. That's all you need to make the simple icing. Literally just icing sugar and cream cheese. Oh, sorry. Just mix it together. It's starting to actually look like the icing you get on top of carrot cake. Smell that. Make sure you get all of the icing sugar off from the bottom and everywhere. And there we go. That is the really simple icing. Alright. We're going to put the cake onto a plate now. I think it's stuck. It's stuck to the bottom. Got a tool to do it now. I've never actually used one of these to get it off. Because none of my cakes ever stick. Let's get the icing on. Yeah, a bit stuck. So, right then. Make sure it's not lumpy still. And then get it dot on the middle. Oh god, the ball's stuck in my hand. And then you just go spread it around. Just spread it around. Just like this. And now it looks like a carrot cake. Alright, now I'm going to put the walnuts on to make it look... My sister's licking the spoon. Yeah, she's not prepared to be in a video, but I think she wants to. Well, I guess since you're already in here, you can taste test it, can't you? And there we go. There we have it. I'm going to get a cake cutter. Stay on the video. Sister's here, ready to taste test it. She's eating the crumbs off the bottom of the pan. Alright. I know this is dough cutter, but I'm just using it. Ooh. Our first slice. Bit of grab cake from in here. Oh no, another rose one. Alright. You ready, Eva?
Yum, yum, yum. I want to put the frosting and the nuts.
Ooh.
Wow. Oh, the yum.
Right. Did you get a fork for you?
A bit much crumbly. It's like crumblier than a normal cake, but
I'm struggling getting some cakes of how crumbly it is. Yeah.
It's great. I love it. It's a yes for me. I'm just saying.
Yeah. Britain's Got Talent, is it?
I just got it stuck in my head.
Right, so overall, it's good then.
Yeah, it's really good.
Oh.
It's very good.
Thanks for following along with our carrot cake. And I think we'll see you in a few weeks, hopefully.
Well,
Bye!
I love it. Bye!